Can a trust give you asset protection? What's up, everybody? My name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. This is a question that I usually get asked a lot during consultations and with clients, and the answer sometimes actually surprises them. And I guess before we get too far down the road, if you need help with this or anything related to estate planning and probate, and you live in the great state of Alabama, you can contact and speak to an attorney for free by going to keylawllc.com. We have a strategy session link there. We'd be happy to speak to you. Now, got a little bit ahead of myself, but that's okay. We'll circle back. So again, can trusts give you asset protection? And the answer is sort of. Typically, with a revocable trust, you have a lot of flexibility. So you can terminate the trust, you can change the trust, you can just terminate the trust altogether. You basically can do whatever you want to do with a trust. And because of that, the law does not allow much asset protection with that because of that flexibility. It kind of gives you a way to be able to hold on and change things that might be able to disadvantage creditors or other people in that instance. And so the law, with that flexibility and that control, does not typically provide that. Now, on the other side of it, you have an irrevocable living trust, and that takes away that flexibility and that control. It basically says this is how it's going to be. There's little to no way to change it. It's very, very difficult to do so. The assets are out of your name, and because of that inflexibility and that lack of control that you've given up in mostly, there is some asset protection benefits in that. Most people typically choose revocable living trusts because of that ability to change, because life happens and we do different things. We buy different homes, cars. We do all kinds of different stuff over our lifetime. But if you are looking for another avenue that may be helpful, LLCs also offer great asset protection as well by being able to put it in that entity, and there's some nice separation there and some asset protection that goes along with that as long as certain steps are followed. So it's really important that you have a good attorney that understands these principles and can help you strategize what's the best way to set that up. But typically, revocable trust, not much asset protection. Irrevocable trust, you have some asset protection, and LLCs also provide some as well. So that's it for today. Again, if you have questions about this or anything related to estate planning or probate, and you live in the great state of Alabama, roll tide, then you can contact and speak to an attorney for free by going to keylawllc.com. Again, my name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. We'll see you.